Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have this iconic 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle convertible with a 454 cubic inch motor. It's a replacement motor. It has a 4-speed manual transmission with power steering and front disc brakes connected to a 12-bolt rear end with the F41 suspension. Beautiful black interior, cranberry red paints on the car. It is a frame-off restoration with less than 500 miles. Underneath the car is a full rotisserie painted red underneath with gorgeous clear coat as well. The frame has been removed and painted black for this gorgeous restoration. Beautiful chrome on the car, nice bezels, grille, core support like new, wheels and tires are brand new, dual exhaust, car sounds amazing, really nice glass on the car, and black bucket seats with a console. Here you have it, the infamous 454. I'm waiting for the stickers to come in for the air filter. All new hoses, headers upgraded. The cowl vents that you see there are on back order, but I just got word that they're coming in next week. Under the hood, super clean. Yes, it has the hood pins and also the flapper door on the hood, okay? Like I said, excellent glass. The interior black buckets, correct steering wheel, center console, 4-speed shifter, and there's your SS gauge package. We did order the radio for the car, and we also are going to put speakers right in the kick panels there, and that little lighter, we're waiting for that to come in. Door handle just came in. We're going to pop that on. SS interior on the car. Black vinyl top on the car, which is brand new. Correct SS exhaust tips, 12-bolt in the back, brand new gas tank fuel lines. I mean, this thing has had, like I mentioned, a brand new rotisserie setup. Look at this underneath. Just check this out really quick. All right, all painted red underneath. Over $180,000 the previous owner has put into this iconic car. We do not have a build sheet. The engine is a replacement 454 in the vehicle. If we had a build sheet, the car would be over $200,000. Paint job on the car is probably an 8 out of a 10. It's not perfect, but there's no rust bubbles, there's no scratches, dings, or dents, or anything like that. Just a gorgeous cranberry red paint job. Let's get this car fired up. All right, so if you owned the Chevelle in the past, from the manufacturer, from the dealer, it came where on the 4 speeds, must put the car in reverse to start it. Okay? Power top. That sound good? Oh, she rumbles. Very nice. There you have it, folks. All right, if you're looking for financing, listen carefully. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, rates are about 5 to 7, maybe a little bit higher in percentage, and you'll need about 10, maybe a little bit more down on the vehicle. They go up to 84, maybe 144-month term. If your credit score is 740 or higher, go directly to my website, or should I say directly to my bank's website at lightstream.com. Rates are like 2.99%. Check their rates out at lightstream.com. If your score is 740 or higher, it's a no money down loan and it's unsecured. You can put money down, lower your payment, whatever you desire. Again, let me catch my breath. I'm getting a little excited. It's one of my favorite cars And we have a lot of them. We have a lot of them, over 100. But if you're looking for delivery, I will need your zip code, and I will give you a quote for open or enclosed, whichever way you ask me to do. I can do so. You're watching my video on YouTube. Guys, subscribe to my channel. How do you do that? There's a red button in the bottom of the screen right there. Click it. You'll see what I got coming tomorrow. But anyway, yeah, check that out, guys. If you're watching on Facebook, like it, share it. I mean, look at the prices on these muscle cars, especially this one. I mean, look what this car was 5 years ago and what it is today. It's a great investment. My point is, spend your money, enjoy your life. It's short. Enjoy something tangible. You can touch it, feel it, wax it, drive it, enjoy it, everything, okay? So that's what I'm saying. I enjoy my life, enjoy yours, guys. It's a fun hobby. Go to the car shows, have a great time. Again, my phone number is 847-848-1850. Text me your zip code if you want open or enclosed. I'll get you a quote for delivery right to your driveway. We are licensed, insured, and bonded right to your driveway for the purchase price of the gorgeous vehicle. We are located in Addison, Illinois, about 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, 45 minutes from Midway if you wanted to come in and check out our inventory in person. We have over 100 cars in 2 buildings here in Addison, Illinois. Again, my name is Thomas. My phone number is 847-848-1850. Text gets quicker replies. I'm busy every day. For those of you who do not text message, not a problem. You can call, leave a message if I don't answer. Again, Thomas here, mgmclassiccars.com in Addison, Illinois. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching.